Hi, today we are going to discuss two problems that people in metallizing experience because of evaporation boards. One is hotspots in evaporation boards, and second is pinholes in the film. Pinholes occur because of a number of reasons, but one of them is evaporation boards also. Today we are going to discuss that. About me, I am Anshuman Punj. I am founder CEO of Supervac Industries LLP. We are a company specializing in supply of metallizing consumables to metallizers. We supply to around 500 metallizers all over the world. We supply items like evaporation boards, vacuum oils, graphite foil suspension, and miscellaneous items. Coming back to the topic, to explain a little bit more about this topic, I need to share my screen. First, about the hotspot. Uh, Suppose this is an evaporation board. Sometimes what is observed is local area of evaporation board gets heated up tremendously, something like this. So this will be a hotspot. Let's color it a little differently. So this area will have a very high temperature. This is called a hotspot. Now, how to remove? Obviously, this will cause problems in metallizing and will damage the boat as well. So, to correct this hotspot, there are various means. Two of them are with respect to aluminium wire itself. Suppose aluminium wire is being fed somewhere here, so it won't melt and reach this place. That's how this hotspot is forming here. Correcting this is very easy. Just make the aluminium wire reach up to around center. This is the correct position of the aluminium wire. Now, since the aluminium will flow and reach the area of the entire boat, so this problem will get resolved. Second solution to this problem is also with aluminium wire. We are feeding aluminium wire a little too slowly. Since aluminium wire is being fed too slowly, so the pool forms here and evaporates, and now not enough aluminium reaches here, so the boat is getting heated up. In that case, we have to increase the speed of feed of aluminium wire so that a uniform pool all around the boat is formed. This may resolve this problem of hotspot. Still, another solution could be cleaning the boat. Boat needs to be cleaned after every, once the vacuum is broken and the cycle has ended, boat can be cleaned because there could be some local deposits over here which are not letting aluminium flow over there and not letting it aluminium wet this portion of the boat. So removing that will also help solve this problem of hotspot. Now let us discuss the next problem, which is of pinholes because of the evaporation boats. Once again, I'm sharing my screen. Now, as we know, this is an evaporation boat. On this surface, the aluminium pool forms, evaporates, and gets deposited on the film, which is somewhere above. For sometimes, because of some reasons, aluminium is not evaporating properly. So instead of evaporating and depositing over here, instead of that, aluminium starts boiling over here. So with boiling, droplets of aluminium start forming. This is liquid droplets of aluminium, not aluminium vapor. So these droplets, rather than reaching the film, fall down, and the film, obviously, this is the top view of the film, will be something like this. So film will have these holes, which are called the pinholes. So now this process of aluminium droplets forming and falling down is called spitting. How to correct that is very, very simple. It's obvious that aluminum is not getting enough heat over here, so it is not evaporating properly. So one solution could be increasing the power to the boat. Once the power to the boat is increased, aluminum will evaporate evenly and reach the film. That will prevent this problem. Second could be reducing the feed of the aluminum wire. Maybe we are feeding too much of aluminum wire and boat is not able to handle that. So reducing the feed of the aluminum wire can also solve this problem. Today we have discussed these two major issues. Thank you so much for watching.